Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Venmo to Bank of America account. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Locate the icon in the upper left corner and tap it. Select Transfer to Bank. Choose the amount you wish to transfer from your Venmo balance. Tap on Transfer. Next, you will see options for transfer speed. Select either instant or 1 to 3 business days. For an instant transfer, a small fee will apply. If you choose the 1 to 3 business days option, the transfer will be free. Tap Next to confirm your selection. Now, select your Bank of America account if it's linked. If it's not linked, you will need to add your bank account information. Enter your Bank of America account details accurately. Review all information to ensure everything is correct. Tap Transfer to complete the process. Wait for a confirmation screen to appear, confirming your transaction. You can check the status of your transfer in the Venmo app under Incomplete. Visit your Bank of America account to verify the funds have been deposited. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from Venmo to your Bank of America account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.